Hello guys and welcome back to today's cryptocurrency video, and today we are going to be looking at YEARN finance or YFI, which is currently at the $8,113 level. We are currently ranked at about 193 with a market cap of about $269 million. We have a 24-hour volume of about just $21 million, and today we are basically going to be looking at what is the opening price and what we should be expecting right here for YFI in 2024. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the video, right? Let me also use this opportunity to wish every single one of my viewers a happy new year. Trust that the blessings of the new year would be evident in the lives of you and yours, right? So in the last 24 hours, we have seen the price of YFI push down a whopping 1.9%. And without further ado, let us push to the chart, right? And so we're on the chart right here for YFI. YFI versus the USD Theta. We're on the daily time frame, and Binance is the data source, right? And as you can see right here for YFI, uh, these we have been bullish for YFI right here from the 24th of October. As you can see, our micro EMA turned bullish. We have been bearish, right? Red when we turned green, right? And we have been bullish ever since. Another reason we were massively bullish right here was that we went above this macro EMA. The macro EMA right here is this purple line right here, purple EMA, and we said so far prices were above this purple EMA. Expect some sort of massive push to the upside. We saw this massive push of about 181% right here for YFI, and since then we have seen that huge dump. But we said so far prices continue to hold at this macro EMA right here. We said the prices of YFI is still bullish, and we should still expect to see some sort of bounce, right? We were saying that we needed to see the price of YFI not close below the 7,800. We said coming into 2024, we need the opening price to be above this $7,900 level. And as you can see, currently we are above that level. Even though our micro EMA has turned bearish, we are still above the macro. So with a high likelihood, we could still see a bounce right here for YFI, right? So we do not want to see YFI lose this level. If we lose this 7,900 level with a daily close, take note, with a daily candle close. That means if we close a daily candle close below the $7,900 level, then guys, we are expecting some massive push to Goblin Town. But currently, as you can see, we are still above. We haven't closed any single candle close above the $7,900 level. So with a high likelihood, we could still see a bounce to the upside right here for YFI in January of 2024. So we are still bullish at the moment, and we are still expecting higher price targets as our YFI is still bullish, and we are still holding all the necessary levels, right? So that's the update right here on YFI for the channel. If you like the channel, please do not forget to click on the like button, click on the share button, click on the subscribe button. Thank you for watching, and have a blessed day.